Let's make product manipulation. Make a shape of curtain with pen tool. Clip new layer with the shape and brush with dark shade. Do the same process with the other shapes. Change the background color and brush with dark shade. Make copy of shape apply blur effect with low opacity. Now bring earring in PNG and apply shadow effect. Thank you for watching.